Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the place where trading becomes simple, smart, and exciting. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you're going to love today's strategy. In this video, I'm sharing one of my favorite binary trading strategies on the IQ option platform, a powerful combo of the Heikin Ashi candlestick pattern and the Bollinger Bands indicator. Heikin Ashi helps you clearly see the market trend by smoothing out the candles. Bollinger Bands show you the market's volatility and help you find perfect entry and exit points. Together, they give you high-probability trade signals with fewer false entries, perfect for binary options trading. Risk warning: trading binary options involves risk. You can lose your money, and past results don't guarantee future success. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Please trade responsibly and only use money you can afford to lose. And remember to do your own research before making any trades. Now let's get into the setup. First, apply Heikin Ashi candlesticks and add Bollinger Bands with default settings to your chart. Buy trade setup. When you see red Heikin Ashi candles forming strongly and touching the lower Bollinger Band, wait for 2 blue candles as confirmation. Once the third blue Heikin Ashi candle appears, place a buy trade immediately. Sell trade setup. When blue candles are strong and reach the upper Bollinger Band, wait for 2 red candles as confirmation. Enter a sell trade on the third red Heikin Ashi candle. Candle time frame 1 minute and expiry will be 5 minutes. Also avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. Skip trades if the confirmation candle is too small or looks like a doji. Before going live, always backtest this strategy on historical charts and practice on a demo account. It's the safest way to learn without risking real money. All right, now that you know the rules, it's time to see this strategy live in action. Stay with me till the end. You won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. All right, traders. As you can see on the screen right now, this is a perfect sell trade setup according to the strategy we just discussed. Here's why. The blue Heikin Ashi candles formed strongly one after the other, showing a clear uptrend. These candles have touched the upper line of the Bollinger Band, indicating that the market may be overbought. And just as our rules say, we've now received confirmation from 2 solid red Heikin Ashi candles. That's our signal to enter a sell trade on the third red candle, and we've done exactly that. Now let's wait and watch how this trade plays out. While we wait, here are some quick reminders to make this strategy even more powerful for you. Always double-check the confirmation candles, avoid weak, tiny, or doji candles. Try using this strategy only during high-volume trading hours like European or New York sessions for better results. Don't skip demo practice. It helps you gain confidence without risking real money. Our trade is still running, so hang tight. We'll reveal the result in just a few seconds. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more powerful trading strategies like this one. Let's stay tuned for the result. We won this trade! All right, now let's move on to our next live trade example to see if this strategy can deliver consistent results. Now this looks like a perfect sell setup. Let's break it down once more for clarity. First, the blue Heikin Ashi candles appeared one after the other, showing a strong uptrend. These candles touched the upper line of the Bollinger Band, signaling potential overbought conditions. Then, just as our rules suggest, we spotted 2 red Heikin Ashi candles forming clearly. That's our confirmation. So we entered a sell trade on the third red candle. Everything lines up perfectly. Trend, confirmation, and timing. Now let's wait and see how this trade performs. If you're new to Heikin Ashi or Bollinger Bands, don't worry. Just rewind and go over the rules again. The more you understand, the better you'll trade. Stay with me. We're just moments away from seeing the result of this trade. We lost that trade, but that's completely okay, traders. Losses are part of the trading journey. Even with the best strategies, no setup gives 100% win results. What matters is how we respond to it. And remember, one trade doesn't define your strategy. It's the overall results that matter. Now let's shake it off and move forward. We'll wait patiently for the next perfect setup that meets all our rules. Now this is a textbook sell trade setup based on our strategy. Let me walk you through it one more time. We see strong blue Heikin Ashi candles forming one after the other, clearly touching the upper line of the Bollinger Band, signaling that the price may be in an overbought zone. Right after that, we've got confirmation with two strong red Heikin Ashi candles, just the way we need them. And as per our rule, we've entered a sell trade on the third red candle. Now it's time to sit back and see how the trade plays out. While we wait, here are a few helpful reminders. Stick to the rules, don't skip confirmation, and always look for strong candle patterns, not weak or doji candles. Use this strategy on the 1-minute candle time frame, with a 5-minute expiry for best results. Trade during high-volume sessions like European and New York markets for more accurate signals. Avoid trades during major news announcements. Volatility can affect accuracy. This strategy works best when you stay patient and wait for all the rules to align. Don't rush trades. Quality over quantity is the key in binary trading. All right, let's watch the result of this trade. Fingers crossed, we won this trade. This shows exactly how powerful this Heikin Ashi and Bollinger Band strategy can be when used correctly. But remember, traders, no strategy wins 100% of the time. That's why backtesting, demo practice, and solid money management are so important. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and if you learned something new today or found this strategy useful, do me a quick favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders. Let's grow and win together. Thanks for watching. Stay consistent, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful trading setup. Until then, happy trading.